Welcome to Accessible Coconut tutorial series. In this segment, we are going to examine the most basic aspects of file management in Accessible Coconut operating system. A file is a collection of related data or information that is stored on a computer under a specific name and location. Files can be of various types such as text, images, programs, etc. Usually, we store files in folders for convenience. Folder is a container for files and other folders. File holds data, while folders provide a way to group and manage these files. Since information is stored as files, file management is one of the most fundamental services an operating system provides. Managing files includes actions related to files like creating, copying, moving, renaming, deleting, sorting, etc. Kaja is the default file manager in Accessible Coconut operating system. Kaja is a Spanish word that means box. Kaja originated as a fork from GNOME files, formerly and internally known as Nautilus. In GNU Linux, file systems are organized in a tree-like hierarchical manner. The highest is the root folder, represented by a slash. Under this root folder is a set of important folders such as bin, boot, home, etc. Each of these folders has a specific purpose. For example, boot folder holds files necessary for the system boot process, while home folder holds space for personal files of the users. So, the home folder or icon available to us at the desktop is essentially a shortcut of this folder. Now, let us examine how we can open home folder and other such important folders where various files are stored. Let us do it by accessing the Places menu. To get into Places menu, we can press Alt F1 and right arrow key. Alt F1 takes us to the Applications menu, and if we press right arrow key from Applications menu, we will reach the Places menu.
Left Alt. Applications menu. Places menu. P. 2 of 3.
Now we are on the Places menu. On pressing the down arrow key, Home folder will be available.
Home folder. H. 1 of 14.
Now, as we heard, Orca announced that Home folder H 1 of 14. Here, H is the mnemonic symbol of home folder. Then, by announcing 1 of 14, Orca indicates that home folder is the first among 14 items of the Places menu. We can use Enter key to open it. In general, when we navigate and reach a file or folder with arrow keys, it is selected, and then we can use Enter key to open it. So, here we can use down or up arrow key to navigate inside Places menu, and can easily reach locations like desktop, documents, downloads, music, etc.
Desktop. Documents. Music. Pictures. Videos. Downloads. Computer. 495 network. Connect to server ... Mate search tool. Recent documents menu. R. 14 of 14. Here, the navigation is circular. So, if we press down arrow key at the last item, we reach the first item. Home folder. H. 1 of 14.
We can open the home folder itself. We are pressing Enter key.
Return. Desktop. Places menu. Menu. Linux 2 frame. Icon new. 1 of 14.
Once we are inside any of these locations, we can use arrow keys to navigate and select the files or folders we need. Inside a folder, files and other folders are arranged in multiple rows. We can click any 4 of the arrow keys to select the first item. We are inside the home folder and we are pressing an arrow key.
Desktop folder, 1 of 8.
Desktop folder is the first folder available.
Here, Orca announced that desktop folder 1 of 8. So, there are 8 items inside the home folder and desktop folder is the first one. By default, Orca announces the position of the selected item in this manner.
Then we can press right arrow key to go to the next item.
Documents folder, 2 of 8.
And left arrow key to go to the previous item.
Desktop folder, 1 of 8.
When we reach the final item of a row, on the next right arrow press, obviously we can access the first item of the next row.
On the next few videos, let's further examine various other aspects of file management. If there are any doubts or suggestions, please leave a comment. Thank you.